Hi everyone, welcome back to Hey Unicorn Vlogs. I welcome you all once again on my channel. In this video, I am going to share a very important thing for the people who are creating content. We go back. So before like 1 month, I received the product. Okay, and the time I filled the form, it was clearly written that you have to share this you have to share the content within 2 days after receiving the product. So I did the same, like within 2 to 3 days I did shoot of that product, and I edited and I did everything. It was very confusing for me from them that in that form it was written that you have to deliver within 2 days after receiving the product, but at the same time it was also written that you have to follow the guidelines. So we will provide you the lines, so you have to make accordingly. So and you also have to give for approval before posting. So I was very confused, and it was already 1 day left. Like I already just in just confusion, I have not done any shoot or any editing. So only 2 days were exactly remaining for all the things, for shooting and for editing and to give for approval. Honestly, I just what I did, because I didn't receive any mail or any message from them, so I just posted on my profile wherever I have to. So I just posted on social media, and I also tagged them, like everything whatever a normal content creator do in the collaboration, like tagging and everything. But what happened exactly was like I received mail. Okay, before 2 days I received mail before 2 days that uh, I have to post the content. So I was very confused that of which content they are asking me, because I have not received any new product. I only received one product before. I copied the link and I shared that link to them, and they were like, yeah, and we are talking about this content only, but this is not according to what we informed to you all. Like what we informed in the form, this content is not similar to that. So you have to, again you have to shoot for that product, and you have to give for approval, and then you have to you have to repost it again, and first of all, I just want to say they are not paying me for this. Okay, in the new phase they don't pay you because you don't have enough views, you don't have enough followers. I texted a lot, like this was not mentioned in the form, and now you are informing me this all things. I have already posted before 1 month when I received. So I received in April, like after 25th, and I posted around 28th, 29th April, and they're messaging me like, yesterday. So you guys can think it's already been 15 days that I have posted that content on my profile. If the content is not according to the brand, there are only two options. One is that you can return the product, or second, you can go according to them what they are saying to you. So I already, I've unboxed the product and I've used it, because within 15 days there were no update that this is not it. So I was like, okay, I have sorted the thing, I have shooted, and I have done according to what they asked for, so I can use the product. So I started using. So obviously I cannot return them. So second option was to recreate and to reshoot and repost it. So I did everything, and I was not at all in that zone or in that aura, to reshoot it again with the same energy, because I'm very disappointed. I'm honestly very disappointed. Whenever I shoot for a new product, I always feel excited and confident and happy to shoot for that product. But if you're shooting it again, like after so much hard work, I already did like so many things, so many editing, I have literally, I am an overthinker, so I think a lot whether this is perfect, this is perfect, this is not perfect. So I literally just used my energy in just doing that stuff, and now they are telling me to do it again. And this video I am making just for the information that, like, if you are getting confused while, like, doing this all the barter or paid collaboration or anything with any kind of brand, I just want to say, wait, do not post it. This is the mistake I did. I didn't wait for them, and I just posted the content, and now they are denying that we will not accept this. You have to shoot and repost it again after giving for the approval. If you will approve, then you can post, otherwise you have to still do changes in this. So this is it. So I just want to say to all the UGC creators or the content creator that if you are confused that, like, the brand is not clearly mentioning the things, then just wait, like, do your shoots and editing, but do not post it. Okay, keep it with you. If you are receiving any mail, official mail, or if you are receiving any message for approval, then approve and then post it, because this will, like, this you will do double hard work, and you will also not feel happy to reshoot it. So I want to just say, just make sure you wait, or else directly contact them if you can contact from anywhere to the brand. So this was it. This is my first experience, so the purpose of making this video was to just share with you all the people who are creating content or they are UGC creator, so that they can, what happened with me cannot happen with you, at today or tomorrow. I'll see you in my next video, and for more such new videos and content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.